how can I not do this all over again? After all these years, to come and stand before the Lord, my children and friends. And through the trials and fears, the smiles and tears, the Lord has seen us through. So after all these years, how could I not say I still do? After all these years, my love has grown stronger than when we first began. And after all these years, I'm glad to see that love has brought us to where we now stand. And through our life and love, the Lord above has surely seen us through.